What does it mean when this happens to you? Although many doctors will tell you that this is a disorder called tinnitus, that's actually not very common, and it could be something completely different. The non-physical meaning of ringing in the ears is actually a sign of higher awareness and clairaudience, which means that you have the ability to hear things beyond ordinary perception. This means you're energetically sensitive and more aware of energetic shifts happening around you and within you. So what can you do with these abilities? Well, for one, you can tell when the vibe within yourself and the vibe in the room is changing. And you can even channel messages from your higher self or from angels or any other spiritual being. Ringing your left ear means your internal energies are shifting, while ringing your right ear means a spiritual being is trying to communicate with you. Use these two charts for your abilities.